Hello guys, my name is Suraj Pratap and welcome to my channel. Today I am reviewing a product which is Cash Smash. So basically this is a brand new training where you are going to learn how you can make money online. Even in this training you can learn how you can earn hundreds of dollars per day. So the creator of this training is Bobby Dolce, and Bobby Dolce is a very good affiliate marketer and earning hundred thousands of dollars per month. So if you want to know more about this, then stick with me and watch this full review video till the end, because today I'm giving my premium bonuses for free guys to those people who are going to buy this training with my link which is given in the description guys. Now it's time to know about the this training and also my bonuses. So guys, when you click the link which is given in the description, you come here on my bonus page. As you can see, my insane bonus bundle of Cash Smash. So when you scroll down guys, you can see here is the image of the product and also some information was given. You can read this guys, and here are also mentioned about the prices, but we talk later about the prices guys. First I want to show you some benefits, some key benefits of this Cash Smash. So I'm going to read these for you guys. So the first one key benefit is guys, methods that simply work. So guys, this is a simple work method. You don't need any trickiness in this training. And the another one is no experience or skills needed. So guys, for this work you don't need any skills or experience. And the third one, up to date 2021 methods. So guys, this is a brand new method which was invented in 2021 and it works. And the fourth one is guys, unlimited market. So guys, the market of this work is huge. And the another one is easy to follow training, and the training was so easy guys. And the another one is get results the same day. So guys, when you finish your training, you can start earning the money on the same day guys. And the last one is 30-day money back guarantee. So guys, if you think that this training does not work for you, then you can also refund this training and get your money back within 30 days. So now guys, when you scroll more, here you can see a demo video of the Cash Smash. You can also watch this video guys. Now it's time to know about my bonuses guys. And my first bonus is guys, how to explode your YouTube channel, and its value is $799. So guys, we all know that in today's period YouTube is booming. So with this bonus you can learn guys how you can explode your YouTube channel and viral your videos. And the another bonus is guys, Bing Ads Mastery Training, and its price is $549. So guys, in today's world, all businesses are going to digital, and to promote them we need some skills. And in this bonus you are going to learn how you can run ads on Bing platform guys. And the third bonus is guys, which is Crazy Traffic Explosion, and its price is $897. So guys, we all know that we make money when we get huge traffic, and this bonus will help you how you can drive traffic to your offers guys. And the another offer is guys, which is CPA Income Crusher, and its value is $649. So with this bonus guys, you are going to learn how you can make money with CPA offers. So if you are thinking what is CPA offer, so CPA means guys, cost per acquisition. It means when someone given their email or pin code, then you will make money. And this bonus will help you how you can make money with CPA offers and what are the platforms to earn money, platform for the CPA offers guys. So guys, now it's time to know about my last bonus, and the last bonus is guys, a special bonus, and its value is $6,999. and this bonus was given by the vendor to you guys. These all special bonuses you can get in the dashboard of your Cash Smash, guys. And now you are thinking how you can get my bonuses. So guys, when you buy this training with my link, you get a receipt. You can see which was looks like this, and here is a button which is access affiliate bonus. When you click this button, you directly download my all bonuses for free of cost, guys. And now it's time to know about the prices of this Cash Smash. So guys, front end price of this Cash Smash is $12.95, and another upgrade one is for $27, and upgrade 2 is for $47, and upgrade 3 which is for $197, and upgrade 4 which is for $97. And here are all the downsells of these upgraded, guys. So you can see, and I think I told you enough about the Cash Smash. So don't forget about my bonuses, guys. Today I'm giving those bonuses for free. So if you like this Cash Smash, then don't forget to click the link which is given in the description, and also give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Have a nice day, guys.